A coin have two face. Either we choose, we have our destiny. But we have only one option, that is to save water. If we are not saving it, then we are not able to stand on the earth. If you see the bill, how पानी का बिल, दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के पानी का बिल जो आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में दे रखा है, and look at this bill and tell. You have to see the bill and measure its accuracy, and you have to give the answer of these questions. The question would be like this. First is that from which office has this bill come? It would have come Delhi Jal Board. And do you get a water bill at home? Find out from where it is sent. You have also to check whether any water bill is coming to your home or not. Why do you think Delhi Sarkar, government of Delhi, is written under Delhi Jal Board? So you have to see how it is written. If you are belonging to Punjab, then Punjab Jal Board. If you are belonging to Haryana, Haryana Jal Board. Uttar Pradesh Jal Nigam. These kind of taglines, these kind of name of branches are elaborated on the bill. Next two questions you have to do yourself. And if we are moving toward the bill, there are plenty of bills that we are getting, that we have seen. Haryana Urban Development Authority gave the water supply bill. Here what we have, Maharashtra City and Industrial Development Corporation of Maharashtra Limited, water charges receipt. If we are seeing the water charges receipt from Bangalore Water Supply and Sewage Board, if we are seeing Delhi Jal Board, we have different kind of bills claiming consumption of water. So we are moving forward and it can be done. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. कैसा हो सकता है? You have to see this work. There are some groups that work hard to bring water to people of different areas. They ask the elders about the water arrangement in their times. अगर आप अपने एल्डर से पूछो कि पहले कैसे होते थे अरेंजमेंट पानी के, they can tell you in a great manner. They rebuild the old lakes and fjords. आज भी एक NGO है जो कि रीबिल्ड करता है, जो एक पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप है वो दोबारा से जोहर्ड्स को, लेक्स को बनाता है. लेट अस सी हाउ द ग्रुप कॉल्ड तरुण भारत संघ हेल्प डर्की मई. अब तरुण भारत संघ क्या है? एक NGO है. एंड हाउ ही हेल्प द पीपल टू गेट क्लीन वाटर. If we are talking about Tarun Bharat Sangh, it is a NGO that works for environment, and the leader of the Tarun Bharat Sangh TBS is Rajendra Singh, that is also known as Water Man of India. He has done a tremendous job in the field of environment safety, security, water conservation and wildlife conservation, and it has a main role in growing Rajasthan, by which the many parts of the Rajasthan are growing greens. You can see
Karoli district of Rajasthan falls under 100 most backward districts of India. Severe water scarcity due to inadequate rainfall, degrading groundwater level has endangered food security, thus forcing people to migrate. Tarun Bharat Sangh or TBS gave hope to the people of Karoli district by reviving dried up upper parts of the Sherni river through community-driven water harvesting model for sustainable development and livelihood generation. TBS's model empowers communities to become water warriors and employs natural conservation techniques to foster a better tomorrow.
तरुण भारत संघ एक स्वैच्छिक संगठन है। यह संगठन प्रकृति के संसाधनों के संवर्धन और प्रबंधन का काम करके जो लोग लाचार, बेकार, बीमार होकर गांव छोड़ के चले जाते हैं, वो अपने गांव में बसकर कैसे गांव की एक स्वावलंबी व्यवस्था बनाएं और फिर वहाँ जो प्राकृतिक संसाधन है वो भी समृद्ध हो, जिससे ये जो वर्तमान जलवायु परिवर्तन का खतरा है वो कम हो सके और लोग सुखी, समृद्ध और आनंद से अपनी जगह पर जी सकें। ये पिछले 40 सालों से तरुण भारत संघ कर रहा है। इसने अभी तक 11 नदियां जो मर गई थी, सूख गई थी, उनको पुनर्जीवित करने का काम भारत में किया है। तो हम लोग इस HCL की ग्रांट में शेरनी नदी को पुनर्जीवित करने का काम करेंगे। उसका कैचमेंट एरिया बहुत बड़ा है और उस ग्रांट से हम ऐसा ही काम करेंगे।
As we have discussed about TBS Tarun Bharat Sangh, they also started some work by this lady. This is Darki Mai. She lives in a village in Alwar district of Rajasthan. Another district of Rajasthan, Alwar. One district we have discussed about Jodhpur, and this is Alwar. The women of this village used to spend the entire day looking after their homes and animals. Full day they have upon the animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals. If you have 20 to 30 animals, then they drink a lot of water by which they can using day. Then you have to pull out the water from the well, and it takes a long day and long night. In the summer, when the wells dry up, they had to leave the village. Darki Mai heard about this group and asked for help. TBS is a NGO that can help everyone. So Darki Mai has informed them. Together the people from the group and the village decided to make a lake. Then they have consulted each other and a solution has come that they are going to build a lake. The problem of food and water for animals is now less. People get more milk. They have started earning more because they have built a lake that is very useful to everyone. At last I am going to tell you the poster, and the poster you have to write, water on earth is for everyone and all. You have to write this, make this poster and show me. Thank you.